Moving with the keyboard shortcut. Choose the elliptical marquee tool and make a selection of the kiwi. Instead of using the Move tool, press Control on the PC or Command on the Mac and click and drag inside the kiwi to move it over to the face of the melon. If the dancing ants around the kiwi are distracting, you can temporarily turn them off. Go to the View menu and choose Show and uncheck Selection Edges. You can also move this selection by using the arrow keys on the computer keyboard. If you hold Shift and the arrow keys, it will move by a larger amount.